climb inside the 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized comfort and style by including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front and rear air conditioning, a power liftgate, removable floor console, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.